Okay, so today I'm going to do again the play, the box play by Sephora, the box which arrives every month. I received the one in September a few days ago, so it gave me some time to try the products because I don't like just to talk about products without even trying them. I feel a little weird doing this kind of video because not that there is something wrong with that, it's just that it's not really the purpose of my channel. But I decided last month that I would do it if it was useful to someone. Obviously I didn't have a lot of comments, but a lot of people rushed to watch that video for my August box. So I thought, okay, I'm going to do the September one also. I don't know if I will do it every month. I don't know how much time I will continue to receive this box, because if at a point I'm a little fed up with that, I will probably stop. It's still $10 per month. $10, it's not much. Well, it depends for whom. Right now I really wanted to try these products and to find new products so I wouldn't use always the same and the same. As usually we receive this kind of box like that. I'm not showing you my address. The box is very nice, and a small bag like this, very cute. I like that the bag is different from the last month. At least I'm not going to start a collection of always the same bag. And I'm going to show you the products. So first of all, this one, Fresh Lotus Youth Preserve Face Cream. So it is a small container, a small jar, but there is some. I used it since almost 1 week now, and I still have some. But I prefer using it at night because there is no SPF. Well, it's not written, so I suppose there is no SPF. Nothing is written about SPF on that, and I'm in Los Angeles. There is a lot of sun. I really need my SPF. So in the day I use a Neutrogena oil-free moisture with sunscreen, broad spectrum SPF 15. It's not much, but it's better than nothing. I really like this thing, especially that it really sinks in the skin, so when you put your makeup on, it's okay. This one takes a little more time to sink in your skin. It smells good. I suppose it's the lotus smell. I don't know how smells the lotus, but it smells good. It makes me more think of almond. I like it, but I prefer it at night. But you can use it day and night. The only thing I have with it is, first I take some, I apply everywhere, and before I spread the cream, it burns my skin. I have a very sensitive skin. However, once it's applied, it's pleasant and it's okay. So I will finish it. Am I going to buy it again? To buy a true size of that? I'm not sure. It seems that the brand is Fresh. I didn't know this brand. Second thing, let me see. So this is by Diva Curl Melt into Moisture. It's some matcha butter conditioning mask. So I used it instead of my usual conditioner, and I must say that my hair was more moisturized, longer than usually. So I like it. I will try it more because I just tried it once, so I can say how it will be in a few weeks, but I will finish it, and if it really works on my hair, maybe I will buy some. So you can use it as a conditioner, but you can also make a true mask on your hair, and keep it like 15 or 20 minutes and then rinse it. It's very good for dry hair like me, curly hair. I have very dry hair, so I really need a lot to nourish my hair. Usually I use something which is rather expensive. It's John Master Organic, so that is the shampoo, but I also have the conditioner. I didn't pay it myself. It's my older son who gave me that for, I think it was for Mother's Day. So it lasts a long time because the bottle is really big. I think it's the biggest bottle. You can buy smaller than that. It's expensive, but it's really, really, really good, and it smells so good. So I'm not doing advertising. I'm not paid by these brands to sell anything. I'm just telling you what I use. Usually I have a dry skin, I have dry hair, everything is dry, so I have to nourish a lot. For the hair they give us also Living Proof, so that is the brand. Frizz, so it's to remove the frizz, nourishing oil. So it's a sample, but you know you use just a few drops, so it's going to last. I put some on the end of my hair. I like it, it's okay, but it's not going to replace what I usually use, and I'm going to show you what I usually use. It's Kerastase Serum, Kerastase Nutritive Serum Nutri-Sculpt. You know, I have this since, I don't know, but you use just a little and you put on the end of your hair. And that is the best because it's oily, but it's dry oily. I don't know how to explain that. It's oily, but once on your hair, oh, I have hair on it. Once on your hair, it doesn't make it oily. It dries right away, and it really nourishes the hair. And oh, I love the smell. I've been using that in France during years, at least during 10 years. I brought some with me. Since I'm here in the US, it has been continuously, I mean, without going back to France, it has been 8 years now. I never bought again some since I'm here, but I think that I can find that on internet, especially that it's made by L'Oreal, and I know that it still exists because I saw it online somewhere, so I'm absolutely sure that we can find that. It's the best. Of all the oils I tried, this one is the best. I'm not paid by L'Oreal to say that. I really tell you my own experience. Okay, next thing. They gave us a pencil by Sephora. Contour Eye Pencil 12 Hours Wear. It's a black pencil, so very basic, the kind of thing that I always have because I have brown eyes, so the black is the one. I also use brown pencils or other color actually, but I would say the black is the basic. I suppose that you can sharpen it, I hope so. Anyway, it's good. I mean, it's a basic black pencil. Does it stay 12 hours? I don't think so. It smudged. No, it didn't smudge. It disappeared a little. My eyes cry easily. I mean, I'm not crying all the time. I mean, for example, if there is some smoke in the street or if there is some dust, my eyes cry very easily. I have eyes problems and sneezing problem, probably an allergy or something like that here in the US, in Los Angeles, I mean. And I saw that maybe 5 hours later there were some area where it was missing, so it doesn't smudge, I mean it doesn't run from your eyes, so somehow it stays, but I wouldn't say that it remains perfect during 12 hours, I don't think so. However, I like the fact that it's a small size, so you can put that in your purse. It's very convenient and it's easy to use. It's very black, so it's okay. I usually like the product made by Sephora, and I'm not disappointed. I'm just, I would have been more excited if it was an original color, like, I don't know, lime green, orange, or things like, something that I don't have because I have a lot of black pencils, so it's one more. But I was glad to try this one, and the quality is quite okay, so I'm not going to say that it's the best black pencil I ever tried, no, but it's a good quality, it's okay. So I'm glad to have it. Then something which I was very excited for, it's the Benefit. So I never had a product by Benefit, so I'm very glad to have one now. Gimme Brow, so it's for your brow. It's a brow volumizing fiber gel. I love the packaging. I don't know if you managed to see. It's very cute. So it's very small, but for your purse it's perfect. It's really great. And the brush is perfect size. Perfect size for the brows. There is not a lot of product in this container. At the beginning I thought there was nothing, but actually you must apply with the tip here, apply, and then you brush. So when I did that, it was okay. It's very natural. The color they gave me, I don't know if there is a color written. I don't see a color. Anyway, the color is perfect for me. It's exactly the color of my brows. I see how this product is good, very natural, what I like. I don't like when it's too much. I will probably buy that because I'm always searching for a good product for the brows, so I will probably buy this one once it's over. I have hard candy. I bought that at Walmart a while ago. I really like this side. I use that a lot. I like, actually it's for blonde or medium, but it's dark enough for me. I love the product in it. I don't like the brush. So I was thinking, I always have too much product on the brush, and the brush is too big. So I thought once this is finished, I will keep the brush. I will use that product with this brush. It's a little complicated, but I love so much this brush that I want to keep it to use it for that, so I will be able to use more of this one. But once both are finished, I will probably go and buy this one, which is probably more expensive than that because that was very cheap, but I really like that, so that is a big success. And the last product is this one, which is a Ciate, or Ciate. It looks like an Italian name, but it's made in London. So Ciate liquid velvet. It's a liquid lipstick, red, Diva. The name is Diva. It's liquid velvet, so it really looks like velvet. Yes, it really looks like velvet once it's on your mouth, but as you can see, I put some like 1 hour ago, and it's not nice. So I used that several times in the day of last week to try. In the day, at night, I tried everything. One day it was okay. At a point it started disappearing, and I had to remove what was remaining to put something else because it was becoming a mess. Another day it was such a mess that I had some everywhere, on my fingers, on my teeth, on my face, everywhere. I'm not a big fan of the liquid lipsticks. I don't like that so much. If you use that, I'm not saying the quality is bad. It really looks like velvet. The color is beautiful. It's really a beautiful red. The red is perfect. It's in the reds, it's the red that I prefer. but you must bring a mirror with you and check every 5 minutes. It's kind of a little complicated, and I don't like being in that kind of situation, so I'm not sure that I'm going to wear it much, or I'm going to be very careful by wearing it. I have only 2 other liquid lipsticks that I bought to try a while ago. I have Revlon Matte Ultra HD Matte Lip Color, and the color is what is the color? It looks like a raspberry, you see. I really like the color. It's really matte. I like that. But same thing, I found some on my teeth, so I must be very careful with that. But I wear it sometimes, and one that I wear very often, even though I don't like the liquid lipstick. You know why I don't like? I think it's too thin on the lips. I don't feel it. I have the feeling that I have nothing, and I like having the feeling to have something. So the NYX, the color is London. It's a nude and it's matte. And this one, I wear it very often because, you know, it's a nude, it's very discreet. When it disappears, it's not ugly. Here, when it starts disappearing, you can see it because it's so red that we can see the difference between the lips and the lipstick. With that, you don't really see the difference, so it's not a big deal. And I don't find that on my teeth. I don't have a problem with the NYX one. So once again, I'm not doing advertising for NYX or for Revlon. I'm just saying what I'm usually using to make a comparison between what was given to me and what I usually use every day. So the raspberry one, I can't say that I use it every day, but I use it often. I must just be careful when I'm in my car. I check if I don't have some on my teeth and things like that. And otherwise, they gave us that I didn't even check actually. So you can see how excited I'm about that. Once again, if I go before October 31st, and if I buy something, I will get 50 extra Beauty Insider point with any purchase. I still need to buy something at Sephora, but I didn't go because I didn't make enough money in September. September was very bad, and my bills come first. And they also gave us that, which is basically an explanation for each product, what is good. They say that the thing for the brow is water resistant. I think it's right. I think it's right because it really stays on my brows the whole day, even when I'm sweating and everything. They say that Diva, the lipstick, is a berry shade. Yes, maybe strawberries. No, it's even more red than strawberry. It's really a primary red. It's a beautiful red. The color is beautiful. I'm not a big fan of red lipsticks usually, but this red is really beautiful. So it's a pity because I really like the color. I like the way it's applied, but it's the rest of the day which is a little complicated. Anyway, I hope that it has been useful for you, what I did today. Will I do it again? Yes, if I see that a lot of people are coming to watch this video, it means that it has somehow kind of... it's useful to someone, that's what I mean. If I see that nobody comes to see that and nobody cares, maybe I won't continue because it's not really the purpose of my channel. And I apologize to the people who are watching my channel for the music or for the art and craft. But you know, we must maintain our mind and also we must maintain our body. So that is the body part. Of course, it's not some kind of sport, but it's kind of maintaining the appearance so I don't look too ugly at the camera. Anyway, if it was useful for you, I'm glad. I hope to see you very soon on my next video, which won't be that. I assure you it will be something else, something creative. And if you like this video, as usually, please give me a thumb up. And you can also comment, subscribe, click on the bell if you want to be alerted when I release another video. And you can also share this video if you want to. Allow me a few days to respond your comments, because now I don't receive alerts when someone writes to me. I have really to go to check in a mailbox, and I don't think every day to check, so I go to check about every 2 days. So forgive me if I don't answer right away. I usually always answer anyway. It can be maybe 2 or 3 days later. I apologize for that. It's a pity. I don't know why YouTube changed that, but maybe they couldn't do that job anymore. I don't know. Anyway, I check my messages and I will answer. Thank you very much for watching, and I see you very soon. Bye bye.